Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. At this point, make sure you already have videos or a video you want to use for this tutorial. All right, so at this point now, click on CapCut. You click on new project. All right, then you import the video you want to use for the tutorial. All right, look at that volume sign there. Let us silence the volume. Okay, then after that, this is the video you want to look for the part that you want to use. All right, so at this point I'm going to be clicking somewhere here now, here to make a split. I delete the first part. So come back now, look at how the video is. All right, I like the length. Click on this T, test. Click on test there, add test. All right, then you write anything of your choice. I decided to write my name, Kim V. Okay, after writing it now, you click on font and choose your preferably text size. Okay, I'm looking for the one that is suitable for what I want to do. Look for the font you want. I am going to be clicking on this one to see. I like this one. After this part now, you click on effect. We are going to be clicking on effect. All right, so the next thing is to click on effect. You locate green. Look at down there, look at green there, mark green. Then you locate this one, this one here. You click it, click this one, mark on this good now. Then you are going to be going back, click on the text layer and drag it to cover your video. All right, that is, click the text layer, make it cover your video. After covering it, you come back. The next thing is to add keyframe to the text layer. You add keyframe to it. All right, as you add keyframe, you adjust it, you start expounding the text. All right, as you are adjusting the video, you are expounding, you are enlarging your text. As you are doing that, the key will be adding automatically. All right, look at what I am doing. Choose one of the word that you are going to use. All right, I want to use that N. So if the N is going out, you can adjust it. It's adjustable. But look at what I am doing. You drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Make sure it's straight. All right, then you expound it, finish. So at this point, this is what we are going to get. Let's play it to see how it's going to play. Look at it, look at it. This is nice. Look at it, look at it. Very nice, very okay, very nice. This is wonderful. So at this point, we are going to be clicking on export to export this video. Export it. After which, you mark on this arrow now, then you go back. Then we are going to be clicking on this plus here to import the second video we want to use. So import this second video. As we import it, click on this text layer now. Click on the text layer, then we are going to be deleting it. Click it and delete it. Click on the other video, delete it. Then we are going to be locating the part we want to use for this second video. After we locate the part we want to use, you mark it and make a split. Delete this other part, then you mark anywhere. All right, this is the one we want to use. It's still long, it's still long for me, it's still too long. All right, so I'm going to still be splitting it to still delete the other part, the last part. So at this point, I've gotten the part I want to use. All right, so as we have gotten this part now, the next thing is to mark anywhere. Then you should mark anywhere, you click on overlay. Click on that overlay, add overlay here. Then you import this video you just work on, you exported, make it fit the screen. Then after which, now this is how it's going to play. So come back now. As you click it, you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG now. Click on remove BG, chroma key. Put it at the point of that green. You adjust it. Mark on this good now. Then you are going to be going back. All right. After which you mark on that good and go back. Then we are going to play the video from the beginning now. Let us see how it's going to play. Look at it. Look at it. Just calm down and watch how it's playing. Look at it. Look at it. This is nice. Is this not nice? This is fantastic. You can try this at the comfort of your home. This video is ready now. Remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After that, you export your video. If you don't know how to add them, DM me. I am going to put you through, as my number is at the description of this video. You click on export now, then you export your video to your gallery, guys. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic tricks or CapCut effects you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love the video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe.